little cold morning. Good morning. Today I want to review Erika 2 folding typewriter. When I found this one from the English town, New Jersey, the old keys were stuck with lost. So I spent like almost 1 week to restoration this one. Of course, at that time there is no this stuff. So I make this spool using the inside here. I use the Starbucks straw, both side, and then the top it's a washer, and then some the what is it called? I found in my garage toolbox, so I use this stuff, and then under this it's a washer, but it's not smooth, so I use the what is the cheese factory the cup. It's a butter butter holding what is it called, the cup. At the top this part I cut, and then I put under here both side. So now it looks like just for the test I made it temporary, but right now everything looks okay. Okay, I put it's a folding typewriter. Most difficult one is after moving every key. Still, let me see. It's when you fold. And then put the I use the one hand, so it's hard to see this part. Right now it's for the using position, then every key, and then even though the ribbon spool works, space bar works, but first when I repair the restoration of the every keys type bars, still this does not works like in order to works always it should be like a little bit up the whole carriage. So I try everything, but I couldn't find what is wrong. But later I compared to this Corona 3 folding typewriter. It's a second version. When I hit any key, I realized this ribbon guide there is up. See, if I hit like it's move, but when I hit this key, it doesn't move properly. This one right now is move properly. So after that, I look at the everything related with this mechanism, and then I found something wrong. First, let me see, hold this one. Then, yeah, there is a under here. In order to the folder, there's a stand like this, both side, and then we move a little bit in the center. Then we can easily fold this one to the like this. Okay. Then I see the this part, and then see, this one hit this part, right? This part, that's the ribbon guide or vibration, like this. But what I found, this one, this part, where is it here? Yeah, this one was flat, so it cannot move back to like this because it's flat. So it hit continuously this bolt, so that's why it doesn't go farther. That's why it cannot hit like this. Without hit like this, then this one does not move. So you see some dent. That's why I bent this one to the up. After that, it goes through over this nut. That's why it's working properly now. See, I'll show you that again. Also, this one to use like this, but at that time in front, let me see. Yeah. Okay, this one should be this one should be behind this one, that for the space bar or carriage movement. So in order to do that, like this, that's the normal way. I mean, like this, behind this little stuff front, and then behind another one, then it works perfect. See, even though the ribbons moving. And then I found one thing, the previous owner, I don't know, someone repaired this one type bar. I think it was broken. This one I told you for the folding, and then it's like supported carriage, okay, both sides. So, but even though almost looks like same, but this function different way. This one in front, this one move right, the different way, but still I got a hint from this movement. Then I fixed on this one. Let's just see some sample typing, and then yeah, of course this is not for the platen roll up, and then this one for the carriage release for movement. I mean, no, the space line up, and then this one is a carriage release. See, yeah, move like this. Still bell works. Yeah. So without fixing this part, it doesn't work. Right now it looks like everything okay, even though capital, figure, everything. This is the German, I guess German key layout. See this one, and then the key, this stuff is umlaut. Yeah, so let's try some sample. This one is a paper release. Okay. Yeah. I used the very old ribbon, so I don't know it's works prepare or not, but I want to just show the mechanically it works. Okay. let's see. And I don't know. Oh, this one is I think this one is a little bit different. For period, I have to shift and then hit this one, make a period. Let's see. I got a typo. For Y, the raise dog Y. For Y also I need after shift and hit the Y. That's why. See? Yeah. Oh, that's the capital one. That means this should be a Y. Yeah, like this. So without any function, we can make like this. Okay. So right now, this typewriter got a new life. Maybe another 100 years. It's like over 100 years ago manufactured. So I saw the serial number behind the this one, I think. After take off this one, you can see the inside the serial number. I write down somewhere, and then also there is another serial number. I guess we can find the two different serial numbers. Anyway, it works. Huh? It's also the font looks good, right? I am happy to restore this old Erika too. All right, thank you for watching.